back to our video. Today we are diving into the world of effective weight loss treatments. Whether you are starting your journey or looking for some extra guidance, we have got you covered. So grab a comfy seat and let's talk about the key components of successful weight loss. First off, lifestyle modifications, the foundation of sustainable weight loss journey. Slightly changes or usual. Think of it as upgrading your fuel. A balanced calories controlled diet filled with whole foods, fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats can work wonders. Portion control and mindful eating help you stay on track. Now, let's break a sweat with regular exercise. It's not just about burning calories. It's about building a healthier, fitter you. Cardio, strength, burning, training, and flexibility workouts are winning combination for weight loss and muscle retention. Behavioral changes play a significant role too. Mindful practices, stress management, and healthy sleep habits address the emotional and psychological effects tied to overeating. It's about nourishing your mind as much as your body. Sometimes a little extra help is needed. Enter medical interventions. Medications prescribed by healthcare professionals can help by suppressing appetite, reducing fat absorption, or boosting metabolism. Ideal for those with obesity or weight-related issues. For those facing severe obesity, bariatric surgery might be considered. Procedures like gastric bypass or sleeve gastrectomy alter the digestive system to aid weight loss and mitigate health risks. Now, let's talk about the power of professional support. Let's move toward the consulting with a nutritionist. Nutritional counseling is a game changer. Registered dietitian guides you with the personalized meals plans, educate on healthy eating habits, and provide ongoing support for weight management. Behavioral therapy is like a tune-up for your mind. It addresses emotional factor tied to overeating, helping you develop coping strategies for stress, emotions, and triggers. Holistic approaches bring balance to the equation. Mindful eating involves listening to your body, practicing portion control, and being aware of your eating habits. It's about creating a positive relationship with food. Gradual lifestyle changes. Gradual changes are the secret sauce. Sustainable weight loss comes from making small, realistic adjustment instead of opting for drastic measures. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Community sport visuals. Speaking of marathons, community sport is like having a cheer squad. Join sport groups, online forums, or lean on friends and family for encouragement. Together we are stronger. Conclusion: effective weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It's a combination of dietary adjustments, regular exercises, medical evaluations if necessary, professional guidance, and behavioral changes. The key is adopting healthy habits that last a lifetime. Remember, progress is not perfection. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health tips and share your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy. See you in the next video.